Okay, so how do we activate the Office 365 account? So first, you need to have the requirements for activation. Number one, you need to have the Deped email released by the IT officer of the division. And number two, you need to have the Deped email and the temporary password for the Office 365 account. Also, you can acquire this by asking the IT officer of the division. Okay, so first thing you need to do in your laptop is you need to open a web browser. So commonly used browser is Google Chrome, but the recommended browser is Microsoft Edge or the office.com website. You need to type in office.com and then you need to hit enter on your keyboard, on the keyboard of your laptop, and then you need to click sign in on the screen that will appear. Okay, so next thing to do is you need to input your account details. So you need your DepEd email and you need to type it in here in the text box. So after that, you need to click next and another dialog box will appear asking you to enter your password. So here, you do not need to have a permanent password. You need to input the temporary password provided by our IT officer, the division. So after that, after entering the password, you need to click sign in. Okay, so next you will see a pop-up window requiring you to update your password. So here, you will need to enter the temporary password or the current password, a new password, a password that you will need to create, and confirmation password. At the upper right corner of the screen, you will see a pop-up window. Kindly disregard this window by clicking the X button. Okay, so please be guided by the instruction below about on setting the password. Passwords can contain your user ID, so make sure that your password does not contain your user ID. And it needs to be at least 8 characters long. Okay, it needs to be at least 8 characters long with at least 3 of the following: 3 uppercase letters, 3 lowercase letters, 3 numbers, and 3 symbols. Okay, so you need to input now your desired password. Okay, after inputting the desired password, which conforms to the required type of password with at least 3 uppercase letters, 3 lowercase letters, 3 numbers, and 3 symbols, you can now click the sign in button. Okay, so in this window, you just need to click next. Okay, so setting up the recovery options. There are 3 ways on how you can recover your password at a later time. So this portion is very important since this is required whenever you forgot your password. Okay, so there are three ways on how you can recover your password. First is you can authenticate via phone. Second is you can authenticate via email. And third is you can authenticate or recover your password through a security question. Take note that you'll need to set up at least one of these options. For the purpose of demonstration, we will be using the authentication via phone. Okay, so you will need to use your phone number for this portion. You need to enter the area code, which is Philippines, with area code +63. And then you need to enter your phone number. And then you need to click text me. Okay, so you need to check your cell phone or your phone, smartphone, and you will receive a verification code. The verification code should be entered in this text box, and then you need to click verify. And then in this screen, once the authentication type already has an icon with a green colored circle with a check, therefore the verification process is successful. Next is you need to click finish. Okay, in this screen, you just need to click yes. Okay, so after that, you will see now a welcome screen. So this is the welcome screen of the Office 365. Save time by teaching with Office 365. So you just need to click the X button so that you will see the interface or the preliminary interface of the Office 365 online. So you will now see this screen after the successful activation of your Office 365. So here you can see the available applications or apps under the Office 365 suite. We have the Outlook, the OneDrive, the Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, SharePoint, Teams, Sway, and Forms. And there are also other apps that you can make use of under the Office 365 account. So thank you. Congratulations. Your Office 365 has been successfully activated.